Okay, fine. Let's see this question, right? So the question in September, the income of Kamal, Amal and Bimal are in the ratio of 8 is to 6 is to 5. They rent a house together and Kamal pays 15%, okay? Amal pays 12% and Bimal pays 18% of their respective incomes to cover the total house rent in that month. In October, the house rent remains unchanged while the income of while their income increased by 10%, 12% and 15% respectively. In October, the percentage of their income will be paid as house rent is nearest to, right? So now let's see, let's say they are Kamal, Amal and Bimal. Let's say Kamal, I am writing K, Kamal, Amal and Bimal, okay? And their the income in September ratio is given at 8 is to 65. So let's say in September their income were 800, 600 and 500 because we have to calculate the percentage and it will be easy to calculate. So let's say income of Kamal was 800 rupees, Amal was 600, let's say 600 and Bimal was 500. Let's say this is 500, okay? And how much rent they are paying? We can calculate the rent. So rent they are paying is Kamal pays in 15%. 15% of 800. You see 1% of 800 will be 8. So 15% will be 15 into 8. 15 into 8 is 120. So 120 Kamal is paying. How much Amal is paying? 1200, right? 1200. So 1% is 6. So 12%, 12 into 6, 72, right? Okay. So Amal is paying 72 rent. Bimal is paying how much? Bimal is paying 18%. 1% is what? 5 rupees. So 18%, 18 into 5, so 90. Okay. So total rent they are paying is equal to how much? Okay. Wow, this is 2, okay, 9 and 9, 7, 16 and 20. So 28. So 282 they are paying the rent. Okay. And now they are saying that in October the house rent is same. House rent is same. This is constant. But their income increases by 10%, 12%, 15% respectively. So what is October's income? I mean the October's income. Kamal's income increased by 10%. So 10% of 800 is what? 80. So it has become 800 plus 80. So 880 has become the new income, right? Okay. Now, Amal income increased by 12%. 12% of this one will be what? 12% of this is 72. So it has become 672. Okay. Actually, it's the same thing, right? It's the same data. It's sorry. It's no, not same. It's it was 50. No, it's not same. It's for 50. It's 10. Okay. So it's increased by 10%. So 880. His income increased by 12%. So 12% of 600 will be what? 1% is 6. 12% will be 6 into 12, 72. So it has become 600 plus 72, 672. And income of Bimal increased by 15%. So 15% of this, 1% is 5, 15% will be 15 to 5, 75. So it is 575. Okay. They're asking the total on October, the percentage of the total income that will be paid as rent. So rent is what percentage of the total income in October? So rent they are paying is 282 divided by their total income in October. Let's calculate that. Okay. So 5 and 2, 7. Okay, 5 to 7. 7, 7, 14. 14 and 8, 22. So it's 2. Carry 2. 5 and 6, 11 into 13. 13 and 8, 21. So it's 2127. So it's 2127 and into 100%. So it will be like this. Okay. So if you calculate, it will come around 13.26%. it will come around 13.26%. So, that is the answer.